Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to know more about an artist on Shazam's application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down and find my music section and then select artists, which is the second option. Now you can find all the artists whose songs you have just discovered using the Shazam application. So you just have to tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and here you can get to know to this artist by tapping on the more button in the about section. So you can get to know to this artist. If you are done, just press the button done in the upper right corner of the screen, and you can discover her top songs, latest release, and her albums. And also you are able to select from 4 playlists made just for you. And there are also recommendations at the bottom of the page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.